So welcome everyone. Once again, this is Kevin from Csmi in Australia today, doing a video on a new excavator called the EX9700. We decided to change the location because it's a beautiful day here in Western Australia, and we thought that we'll do a video outdoors so you can see a little bit of Western Australia. As you can see, just by a small river up here in Perth. Beautiful location. And let's get into this unboxing. So just got this box today. It's about 36 to 38 kilos, maybe around 70 pounds for those of you who use Imperial system. The box is about 1.1 meters, that's 1100 mil, or roughly over 3 feet and 7 inches. Dimension, the side of the box and the height is about 500 mil, which is about nearly about 18 inches by 18 inches, so 500 by 500, which is about 18 inches by 18 inches approximately. The box is, inside the box there is a wooden crate where the excavator is safely housed. So we'll go and cut the box up, and so that you can see what's inside it. So let's get straight into it. I'm using a mic with me, so you will probably get some jitters as I move this tripod closer to the excavator or to the box as I cut it. So just bear with me, guys, and I'll just quickly cut the box and show you the crate, and then we'll go through what's inside inside this thing. So well packed. It's got a crate inside. It's been encapsulated pretty safely so that there's nothing gets damaged during transport. We'll go through all the steps. I mean, this is one of the first videos that I'm doing on this particular excavator, like the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to actually tear this box apart because that's going to be the easiest way to cut it. I was planning to pre-cut this box so that I don't have to do this step, but nevertheless, it is a moment of truth up here. So I'm going to put this packing away, and the box is rotated on the opposite side. So just bear with me, guys. I'm going to actually rotate this box around, and then we can have a look. It's the other way around. So just bear with me. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, it's a bit of a struggle considering the weight of the box itself, and it's not easy to handle a big box. So there you can see the box, well packed. It's got padding on all sides. Give me one more sec, guys. I'm just going to secure this padding that's come with the box. So bear with me and I'll be back. Okay, so apologize for that. As you can see, this is a video with no cuts or edits, as direct as you see. Okay, as you can see, the cardboard box has a foam packing on all sides. That should protect the box and transport from some scratches. Now let's go closer and see how well it's actually packed on the inside. So pretty good clamps that actually lock. Okay, let's get rid of all this paperwork and put it aside. Okay, I'm just going to get this a little bit closer so that you can see what's inside it. So bear with me on the shakes. Okay, so as you can see, it's got a lot of tools. There is a radio up here, which we'll do another video on. The radio was taken out because we couldn't ship it with the radio because of the battery. There's some other parts which I'll go through step by step. There's some accessories up here. You get a tool kit with it. Some extras like the side steps and stuff. Oil bottle, some more spares. Look, that's a big syringe to fill the oil in. These are the grips for the radio that comes along. I don't know what that is, but we'll go through that in the next video when we have it in the workshop, and it's a lot more easier to control and manage this thing. So I'm going to put the camera down for a second so I can try to get the foam out so we can have a closer look inside the box. So just bear with me. Okay, so the foam, let me just see if I can get it right. So I'm just showing you the cutout. The foam is actually in two sections. One actually sits underneath the box, and then the top section, of course, it's not in the right shape right now, but this top section actually sits on top of the excavator to house it safely in transport. So it's well encapsulated the way it's transported. So I couldn't see how anything could actually get any damage to the thing during transit. Okay, so let's go further on. I'm just going to take this thing out, and I hope it doesn't fly because it's a windy day up here. Okay, back again on the camera. So that is the machine, as you can see, and that's how it's housed inside the box. I've seen a lot of machines over the years, and I think by far this is probably the best machine I've ever come across. Of course, there is a pointing system in terms of how many points we're going to go through for every single machine. I will share that on the next video, so we'll be rating every single machine based on the features, the functionality, the packing, all that kind of stuff. So then you can have a good gauge of what machine is ranked at what level. So just a brief video here. You can see all the pipe work. You can see the hose connections are actually crimped just like the real thing, and you got flange fittings, hydraulic flange fittings with 4 bolts with an o-ring in the center, just like the real thing. So we'll go further with some more details on the next video. This is more just to show you overall how the box is packed and what's inside it. So as usual, thank you for watching. This is Kevin from CSMI in Australia, and if you have any questions, you can email us at info@csmi.com.au, or you can leave your questions in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.